Hello guys and welcome to this session. Today this video we will be going to talk about my personal visit to Gitex. So Habibi went to Dubai. So this is what actually the talk we will be having today, and the main reason for this talk is like, is it worth it for career oriented goals, for getting jobs and connecting and doing networking with multiple companies to be hired in those. So that was actually the sole title of and discussion of this video. We will be going to discuss all about those things, and we have multiple things today. We will be going to discuss about either we went to Gitex for career oriented, or like what exact purpose Gitex will going to fulfill for you if you are planning to go Gitex next year or this year, like whatever the things are, because this year Gitex is like about ended, and we will be going to discuss like what real insights I had for Gitex when I visited last year. So about my trip, about like how we can save money for like having the travel towards Dubai, and what are actually certain steps we need to follow to have a success journey in Dubai for saving some amount and like enjoying other things. So this is what actually the purpose of this video. And like why Gitex? The first thing is like why Gitex, and Gitex is actually a top-notch world's famous technology event happening at Dubai. So the main two locations are like kind of Dubai Trade Center, and other one is Dubai Harbor. So they have multiple dates, like multiple places with multiple dates where this event has been happening. So this is kind of a very huge and big event if you are going to visit Gitex. I personally visited Gitex at Dubai Harbor and Dubai Trade Center as well. So this is kind of a very huge event I have seen till now, till date. So that event is like when you like multiple bunch of thousand companies are actually been having their stalls at that event. We have kind of a AI, ML, and like multiple sections and multiple kind of a chunks throughout Dubai Trade Center. In Dubai Harbor, same like they have, and it's kind of a very amazing kind of what I can say, amazing kind of a pitch up throughout the event they have built up at Dubai Harbor. They have actually kind of networking sessions. They have kind of traveling in ship throughout like kind of sea level, and these kind of actually cool things are been happening at Gitex, what I personally saw. And where Gitex, so that's kind of two locations I said, and multiple places, multiple dates, and kind of every section in the event is, it's kind of a very huge event. So what personally we got is kind of a pass, entry pass, and in that entry pass that's kind of a like kind of a QR code, and behind that actually on the back of that paper, so we have a kind of a full-fledged map which is being provided by Gitex itself to be like on a safer side. You cannot go like you don't forget like which section I am currently. So these kind of things are there. So there are multiple advantages and disadvantages for visiting Gitex, which I need to like discuss in this video. So advantages are like if you are owner of your own business, like kind of a small kind of a software house owner, or you have kind of a small e-commerce, and you want to streamline your process for getting connection, getting like e-commerce things from China, and you want to use Dubai, what I can say, Dubai free zone. These kind of things actually are kind of advantages for you if you are going to visit Gitex for those kind of things. So the disadvantages are like if you are a tech nerd and you want to switch your job and want to be at a good place or good company, and you are visiting Gitex for that purpose, so like this event is not recommended for you. So, however, if you are a business owner, as I mentioned, so this event will be going to add a multiple stars in your business, because there is kind of a huge ecosystem from different industries. Gitex is having every company had stalls. Even I saw multiple government improvements or government starting level, and kind of how Dubai is actually been getting technology in their daily life and usage. Dubai police, especially, I saw that special vehicle they are actually been using with a bunch of technologies like they have used in it. It was super amazing. Apart from those, I also saw Dubai Customs, and it was kind of a very huge kind of AI landscape they are using in it. So, and apart from those, e-commerce and kind of advertising. Advertising billboards I saw, it's kind of a 3D advertisement. However, that's kind of pretty old. I saw in multiple advertisements when Nike and Adidas they are using their uh, advertising in USA or Times New York, like Times Square at New York. I saw those kind of advertisement, but in Jitex it was kind of an advancement of that I saw. So apart from that, actually, what I personally visited Jitex is like is I am a Amazon Web Services community builder from past 4 years. So I actually got a fully funded 100% pass from Amazon Web Services. So that was actually kind of a good thing for me to visit, and it was kind of little expensive for a full-fledged pass which I got back in last year. So that's what actually the main motivation for visit. And like since I didn't visited any country till my 29th years of age, so it was kind of a golden chance for me to visit it. But to be very honest, I didn't visited Jatex to get a like kind of a job and to stay in Dubai. So I visited it for like streamline the process of my e-commerce company, which like we four brothers have initiated. So that e-commerce firm, what we like what actually it's kind of a side business. We spend some time on it, but we actually want to streamline the process so that all like it don't require the main work from from four of us. So we want to streamline that process in a way like automated orders and like all kind of stuffs. And we want to use the Dubai free zone for getting things from China, Konzu, and we want to place it on Dubai Free Zone airport for some time and then delivered it to like throughout the Europe and like kind of Germany, USA, like everything, every country. So this is what actually my main motive. I visited Jatex with my brother, with my younger brother Anis. So we actually went to Jatex for this specific purpose. So however, like I meet multiple people who were actually having a mindset to get a job there at Jitex. So it's not actually the main purpose to attend the Jitex, to be very honest. So if you are going to visit Jitex to get a job or to get networking for your next role, so this event is not for you. So it is worthy if you are a business owner. So what I did is like I met with two to three main organizations to streamline process, to streamline my business process, and I feel it worthy, and I connected with them. And like it's kind of little kind of costly for us, since like it's kind of international companies who were there to sell their services. So I visited with Polar Energy Company. It was kind of a logistics firm. So what they are doing is like they have their registration and they have their huge warehouse at Dubai Free Zone. So what they are doing is like they have partnered with multiple organizations. Like I actually went there to visit. So what they are doing is like they are getting multiple order inventories from those businesses they are partnered with. They hold their stuffs at their free zone, and they have kind of what I can say order inventory coming from those partner organizations, and they are actually fulfilling their logistics and everything else. So they also provide custom printing, custom packaging, etc. So these kind of things, if you want to streamline, so that's kind of an amazing kind of a startup and firm which I met with. So it's kind of a huge company, and they have a good landmark in UAE, Dubai. So they are having partnered with multiple organizations, and they are serving those orders and inventories throughout the world. So another company which I met is it's kind of a snappy kind of thing. I don't remember the name at the moment, but it was very amazing, and it was kind of a meta to get your business registered and get the land on metaverse. So this is what actually their concept is like. If you want to have your store up and running on metaverse, so like it's kind of very good one. So the name I don't know, but I will share this out and you will have it on the screen. So apart from that, actually, planning to JITEX and visa accommodation, those things are actually kind of not that much costly. But since I was sponsored by Amazon Web Services on the purpose of getting pass, so it was not kind of that much. And I also planned for somewhere to go, to travel and to see and explore. So that's what actually I had planned for throughout the year, and I have little bit of savings for it. So especially I invested and went to Dubai. So I actually took kind of only visa services from one of the what I can say travel and tourism business in Karachi, Pakistan, Deluxe Holidays, and after that, like I used Agoda. Agoda is the best service which I used for getting my hotel for 9 days, and it was kind of a good experience. And when I back to Pakistan, I also get cash back from Agoda. So if you don't know what Agoda is kind of application, like kind of with booking.com, so you can like use it. Apart from that, actually, for traveling purpose, it was my first experience to be in a like plane to went to Dubai from Karachi. It was very good experience. And after that, when we landed there, so one of my good friend Gulam Abbas, who has actually been doing job at Dubai, so I went to metro station with him. He introduced me how metro works here at Dubai, and there was kind of a cost effectively Knoll card, especially. So Knoll card is kind of a very good thing if you have a next travel visit to Dubai. So Knoll card is actually kind of a travel card you have, and it's been accessible towards throughout the metro. They have three kind of categories in the Knoll card. One is like kind of woman specific pink Knoll card, pink section. One is the gold one, which is for highly effective and like kind of no rush and everything, cool, keep and calm. Other one is kind of a gray Knoll card, so through which like you can scan up. So it's kind of a very pretty like kind of very good experience while using Dubai metro. So I highly appreciate it, like the way they are been operating throughout the Dubai. The vision is kind of very cool. So apart from that, the security level which I felt at Dubai was amazing. Like it was a whole experience. It was not just related to Jitex. So visiting Jitex is kind of a very good experience, because Jitex is a very kind of very huge and very big technology event, top notch technology event throughout the world. So it happened for like they are covering technology, they are covering business, they are covering like AI, artificial intelligence, technology, cloud computing, everything. I found Amazon Web Services installed there. I connected with like the people I discussed with, like how they are using like the success stories they were running on LCD. It was kind of very amazing to see that, and I had a cool discussion with multiple businesses on streamlining my process. First, I actually also visited for streamlining my business process through inventories and having the big data analysis. So that was also the good one I discussed. And apart from that, I also visited one of the remote companies who are actually been charging your little of amount, and they are actually been getting access to hundred and thousand of jobs you can do, interview and everything, etc. They will care about your payment processes and everything else. I also discussed with Dubai Travels and like other company. I forgot the name. So it was kind of your travel and tourism thing, and getting your visas and everything like in a streamlined process. That was also a very good cool thing for if you are having in a true travel and tourism business. Also visited a few of the companies to get your visa up and running, to get your like what I can say the digital nomad visa, to set it up like if you are switching to Dubai. So there are like kind of very much companies to discuss and to get opportunities of it, and you want to register it. Once you have it, you need to spend Dubai some time. You need to spend some time in Dubai, and then after like you can start and searching your jobs. Like that's what actually the main motive of it earlier. But now Dubai immigration had imposed some services, and those services are those categories like you need to purchase the whole visa kind of a strategy. You need to register your business, and like kind of then you will be up and running. For Jitex, it's kind of no experience, no good experience for getting your job up and running. Like, not there are no any companies who are actually been coming for resources to, okay, some resources went, okay, this stall is for you. Either you are mini stack developer, man stack developer, or you are doing cloud computing, so let's interview and we will hire you. So that was not the exact case there, not at all, because those companies are there at Jatex to sell their services. Like, okay, we are from cloud computing. If you want to have your business on a cloud computing, you want to do business, you want to build something, let's sit with us in our stall and let's get started. So that was actually the main motive of Jitex there, what I personally felt. So apart from that, actually, we visited some cool places. Since it was Jitex, for we were visiting like 30%, 40% of a day time there at Jitex. It was a very huge event. We went in multiple sections, then we explored Dubai Metro, then also we visited Burj Khalifa in our free time. We had some coffee at Starbucks, then we also visited Dubai Mall because I need to buy iPhone 15 Pro Max for my brother, and it was a very huge support from my one of the good friend Syed Sarmat Sabi, and we had a couple of good multiple kind of meetups at Dubai. So we had kind of multiple what I can say dinners and tea time with Sabi, one of my senior friend, and he also led me, he also mentored me in company. And one of my friend, another Syed Sarmat Sabi, who I mentioned, I had multiple go through outside, and we had multiple outings and we had multiple dinners, and I especially thumbs up and all the respect he actually gave everything. And we had a cool dinner at his home place as well. So it was kind of an amazing experience when you have multiple friends available at Dubai, and Jatex is just kind of a side gig you want to do at Dubai. So this is what actually, in my opinion, I did for Jatex. And we also visited one of the cool place called Desert Safari, and we have some roller coaster ride in V8. Then we had some food, we had some shows like fire show and etc. So it was kind of an amazing experience doing it. So Jitex is not only for going into technology event, in my opinion, but it was for, in my perspective, I went Jitex not to not to boost my business there, like, okay, we are e-commerce company, you will need to buy blah blah blah, these kind of things, because Jitex is more over 100% related to that. It doesn't increase up your hiring chances, or not at all, even 1%. However, if you do networking whatever etc, but you will not get any job there, because every company came at Jitex to promote their business in simple words. So conclusion is that, like, Jitex is only for promoting your business. If you are a business owner, you can go there. You need to purchase your stall separately, and you need to go and you need to purchase their stall at Dubai, and like Dubai Jitex, and then you need to do kind of promote your business. And like you can have your own opinions. Like, you went to multiple stalls, like I visited multiple stalls, like, for my e-commerce business to streamline the process, and that process was to make automate my business. Like, we are actually buying some things from Alibaba, AliExpress. We want to use the Dubai free zone for it, and then we want to sell it out, that inventory, to other customers, and by doing marketing and everything else. So we went multiple steps of visiting those companies, and it was kind of a very huge experience. It was kind of a really good experience meeting with those persons and having discussions and all. So Jitex is only for those kind of person. If you have a good English, kind of good connection power, good networking power, so this event is for you. But only in case if you want to promote your business, or you want to streamline your business to get services from other organization in one place. Every industry is actually been part of Jitex there. Just you don't need to visit other companies in different places. So Jitex is kind of a very cool and huge event from multiple diverse industry experiences. Every company Every company is there. You just need to take your services, you need to make an agreement and get started your services up and running. So this is what actually my experience with Gitex, and hope you love this video, and thanks for watching, and hope we will be connecting in the next video. See you till time. Bye bye.